Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the Fivahiva Kids tablet, a 7-inch device designed with your little ones in mind. This tablet runs on Android 14, which is a definite plus, offering a modern and smooth user experience. Under the hood, it's powered by an octa-core CPU and boasts 10 gigabytes of RAM. This combination ensures that apps launch quickly and the tablet remains responsive, even when running multiple applications. This is crucial for kids who tend to switch between games, educational apps, and videos frequently. The Fivahiva tablet comes with 64 gigabytes of internal storage, which should be sufficient for most users. However, if you need more space for additional apps, videos, or photos, you can expand it up to 512 gigabytes with a micro SD card. One of the standout features of this tablet is the pre-installed iWawa content. This curated selection of educational and entertaining apps is tailored for children, providing a safe and engaging environment for them to learn and play. It's a great starting point, and parents can always add more apps from the Google Play Store. Speaking of parents, the Fivahiva tablet offers robust parental controls. These controls allow you to filter content based on your child's age, set educational goals, and limit screen time. You can also prevent access to social media and in-app purchases without your approval, giving you peace of mind knowing that your child is using the tablet safely and responsibly. Connectivity is another area where this tablet shines. It features Bluetooth 5.0 and 5G Wi-Fi, providing fast and reliable connections for streaming videos, accessing online content, and video calling with family and friends. The dual cameras are adequate for video calls and taking snapshots, though they aren't the highest resolution. The tablet also comes with a protective case, which is essential for a device intended for kids. The case is designed to withstand bumps and drops, helping to keep the tablet safe from accidental damage. The pink color is appealing to many children, but it's also available in other colors to suit different preferences. Overall, the Fivahiva Kids tablet is a well-rounded device that offers a good balance of performance, features, and parental controls. It's a great option for parents who are looking for a safe and engaging tablet for their children. The Android 14 OS, powerful processor, ample RAM, and customizable parental controls make it a strong contender in the kids' tablet market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.